your face. Oh, product placement.
Good shit.
Big night.
Adrian's got a headache from last night. Hey, Adrian.
I do. Some Australians brought VB last night. All the way from Australia.
Who would have wasted their money putting that in an airplane?
Excuse me, Craig. You've not been very nice again.
Is Australia beer better than American beer?
100%. Aussie, Aussie, Aussie. VB, VB, VB.
Very bad, very bad, very bad. You've got to go in a filter, you'd never even notice it. What skids have we done on that oil?
All the ones you've done here. You haven't changed your oil since you've been here?
Yes, I have. It's done Atlantic City and it's done Burnout Wars plus that wet skid. It's probably okay actually. Is your day driven's coming on board? Supplying the oil.
Such a good colour.
Isn't it? How cool is that? Just engine oil's done.
It's nice and thick.
It's good oil.
It's good.
We'll have a look back at the data this afternoon and see what the oil pressure in that does. But
the way nicer version of Thunder. This is called Impostor. Blown Commodore UTE. This thing's bad to the bone. All the way from Australia. Let's see what he's got. Oh no, Craig is out of it. Oh, Craig's nosed into the wall down there. He's gonna have to back up, unfortunately. Ladies and gentlemen, give it up for the Impostor! Dude, he was destroying those wheels. Oh man, hell of a rim. Oh, baby! Oh, a perfect tipping, of course. Shouldn't have expected anything else. Here. Cuddles is now in ascendant. Ladies and gentlemen, give it up for the imposter! Dude, he was destroying those wheels. Oh man, hell of a rim.